Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to our online teaching academy Ek Kalaiva. Hi my dear children, how are you? All are fine? Yes, very good. Children, how do you enjoy your holidays? Yes, you'll be playing indoor games and you'll be playing outdoor games with the outside children. And sometimes you can see the children playing and they will be trying to fly a kite. Children, have you ever tried flying a kite? Yes. Children, today we are going to see the lesson, The Little Red Kite. Shall we move to the lesson? Yes. Before moving to the lesson, I'll tell you the gist of the lesson. Okay? The Little Red Kite. Okay. Hari looked up at the sky. It was a lovely breezy day with a clear blue sky. It was a perfect day for flying kites. But Ari's little red kite did not think so. Minnie, Ari's friend, threw the kite up, but it did not rise up at all. Ari's brother had a big green and yellow kite which flew into the sky at once. Ari's little kite just trembled a little and lay down quietly on the ground. The little red kite was afraid of falling onto a sharp branch or a cruel thorn and hurting itself. Minnie realized the little kite's fear and said that they go to the middle of the park. So the two children took the kite to the middle of the park where there were no bushes or trees around. Minnie asked the kite to try hard when she threw it up. Minnie ran fast with the little kite and Harry held the string. Firmly, Minnie jumped up and threw the kite as high as she could. The little kite felt a little stir in its tail and gave a big push. The breeze soon pushed it up and the red kite felt very excited. The little kite sang as it flew high in the sky. It loved the blue sky. It loved sailing in the breeze. The little kite was welcomed by the other kites in the sky. Ravi's green and yellow kite warned the little kite about the huge purple monster. The little red kite was not afraid anymore. It just whooshed up and down as it flew away. It was enjoying itself very much. Children, have you understood the gist of the lesson? Yes. Shall we move to the lesson now? What is the name of the lesson? The Little Red Kite. See? Can you see the kite? Aircraft kite? Yes. We can learn something only if we try. Read how the little red kite learned to fly. Okay. Children, see, we can learn something only if we try. If we try something only, we can learn anything. No? Yes. Read how the little red kite learned to fly. You can see in this lesson how the little red kite has learned to fly. Okay. Hari looked up at the sky. It was a lovely day. The tall trees were swaying slowly in the breeze. The clouds were high in the blue sky. It looked as though someone had taken bits of cotton wool and stuck them up in the sky. Actually, what happened here? Ari looked up at the sky. Okay, the day was very lovely and the tall trees were swaying slowly in the breeze. Okay, the trees were moving here and there, the leaves. The clouds were high in the blue sky. Okay, it looked as though someone had taken the bits of cotton wool and stuck them up in the sky. Okay, they are comparing as though the cotton wool is sticked. What is the past tense of stick? Stuck. Okay. It was a perfect day for flying kites, but Ari's little red kite didn't seem to think so. Actually, the day was very perfect for flying kites, but Ari's little red kite alone did not think so. When Minnie threw the kite up, it skipped a little and then dragged on the grass. Again, what Minnie is doing? She is trying. She is throwing the kite up. The past tense of throw is threw. It skipped a little and then dragged on the grass. Just it skipped and again it dragged on the grass. It didn't rise up at all. It didn't rise up. Okay. See, you can see the Spider-Man kite. Hari's brother Ravi had a big green and yellow kite. His friend threw it up and at once it flew into the sky. What again the Ravi is, Ari's brother is Ravi. Okay. Ravi is trying to throw. Okay. He had a big green and yellow kite and his friend threw it up and at once it flew into the sky. Come on, little red kite, said Ari. What Ari is telling now? Come on, little red kite, fly, fly, do fly into the sky. You will have fun. Ari is encouraging the red color kite to fly. Okay. But the little kite just trembled a little. What do you mean by trembled a little, children? Trembled means shook a bit in fear. Okay. Shook. What is the past tense of shook? That is what is the past tense of shake? Past tense of shake is shook. Okay. Shook a bit in fear. Trembled a little and lay down quietly on the ground. Oh, I can't do it, thought the little kite. I'm so afraid. I might fall on a sharp branch or a cruel thorn. I could get hurt. What happened? This little red kite, it is not at all trying to fly, but in spite of that, what it is doing? It is frightened. Okay. So it is not at all trying to fly, and what it is, that is what it is having fear. It is having fear that whether if I fell on a cruel thorn or on a sharp branch, so that I will get hurt. Okay. See, you can see the butterfly kite. Very beautiful, no? Yes. Come on, little kite. Don't be afraid, said Ari. What Ari is telling? Please, little kite, you go, fly. Don't be afraid. Minnie said, maybe the little kite is afraid of these bushes and trees. Let's go to the middle of the park. What Minnie is telling now? Because here we are having many kites, so it is afraid of the bushes and trees and other kites. Let's go to the middle of the park. Who is telling these words? Minnie. Okay. Trembled a little means shook a bit in fear. See, you can see the pigeon kite. No? Yes. So the two children took the kite to the middle of the park, which was an open and grassy space. There were no bushes or trees around. Now you must try hard when I throw you up, Minnie told the kite. What happened? They brought the kite to the empty place, grassy space. Okay. There were no bushes or trees around. Okay. Now I will throw you up. You should fly. Who's telling these words? Minnie is telling. Okay. Minnie ran fast with the little kite and Hari held the string firmly. What do you mean by string, children? String is nothing but thread, cotton thread. No, yes, that is called string. You can see the word, no, string. Yes, string, string. Firmly means grip. Okay. Then Minnie jumped up and threw the kite as high as she could. The kite felt a little stir in its tail. Okay. Felt a little stir means what? Felt a little movement. Okay. In its tail. It is trying now because it is moving. Its tail is moving now. It tried really hard. What is the past tense of try? Tried. Okay. It tried really hard. It gave a big push when it felt a breeze. Okay. And past tense of give is gave. What is the past tense of give? Gave. And felt. Past tense of feel is felt. Okay. What do you mean by felt a little stir? Felt a little movement. Okay. See, you can see the big-tailed kite. No? Yes. The breeze soon whooshed it up. What do you mean by whooshed, children? Suddenly it is moving, no? Moving suddenly or quickly with a rushing sound. That is called whooshed. Okay. The breeze soon whooshed it up. The red kite felt very excited. What do you mean by excited? Excited means felt happy. Okay. You are feeling happy? No. Yes. The red kite felt very excited. Oh, I'm flying, sang the little kite as it pulled at the string. It could see the park below grow smaller and smaller. After a while, Minnie and Ari were little dots at the end of the string. Now, the little kite was flying near the other kites. What happened? Finally, it tried and it is excited. Okay, I'm flying. It can't believe its eyes because I'm flying. It is so excited, and all the things are becoming smaller and smaller because it is going up, no, up in the sky. So everything is smaller for the red kite. Okay. After a while, Minnie and Ari became small little dots at the end of the string. Okay, that much height it flew. Okay, red color kite. Now the little kite was flying near the other kite. See here, you can see the dragon kite. Welcome, little one, said a kind blue kite. The little kite waved its tail as it sailed away. Here, in this lesson, sailed away means floated in the air. Okay. It loved the blue sky. It loved sailing in the breeze. It loved looking at the clouds that were still far above. What happened? Now, welcome, little one. Who's welcoming the red color kite? Blue kite is welcoming the red kite. Okay. The little kite waved its tail as it sailed away. Okay, as it sailed away, it loved the blue sky. It loved sailing in the breeze. It loved looking at the clouds that were still far above. Ha! You made it, after all, said Ravi's green and yellow kite as it came close. Made it means what? Was able to do it. You can do it now. No. What do you mean by made it? Was able to do it. Okay. Look out for that huge purple monster. What do you mean by huge purple monster? Big purple color kite. Okay, big kite. That is called monster. No, big kite, purple color kite. It could hurt you. What it is telling? Look out for that huge purple monster. You should be careful. Don't go near that. It will be hurting you. Okay. However, the little red kite just whooshed up and down as it flew away. It was not afraid anymore. It was enjoying itself very much. Finally, the little red kite just whooshed up. It flied. Okay. It flew high in the sky and it was not afraid anymore. It was enjoying itself very much. Children, did you understand? Yes. Thank you, children.